All right, so we're outside of 2919 Virginia Court in Keego Harbor. This house is like 800 square feet and 2 bed, 1 bath with West Bloomfield schools, and it's almost ready. I think we're about 2 weeks out. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So here we're going to be putting in a bunch of gravel. This would be for some parking, but I'll take you guys inside. So we just got done painting. We're almost done painting. Look at this. This is 800 square foot. I love the tall cathedral ceilings. Gives it a nice big open look and it makes it feel a lot bigger. And then we got some hardwood floors underneath this paper right now. So we're gonna be sanding and refinishing that. Over here is the first bedroom. This would be like a kid's bedroom. And this one has some cool like recessed lightings, nice tall ceiling as well. In this bedroom, we're gonna be putting in carpet. We just got some new doors new handles throughout the whole house. Let's see, and then over here we got the bathroom. Let's see. Ta-da! Got our LVP floor. Just got in the vanity. New toilet. So this tub surround, we're actually gonna reglaze it white from this off yellow, and we're gonna change out the hardware to stainless steel, and we're gonna be changing out this light to a new stainless steel light as well. And then over here we got the master. Look at this. Boom. Look how much light is in this bedroom. I love it. I'm so jealous. Like 6 recessed lightings in here. But freshly painted, new base, new carpet's gonna be going in here. We're gonna have new bifold doors, so it's a nice big closet for the size of the bedroom as well. And then, so in this kitchen, this is the first time I think out of like 40 something houses we've done that we've kept the cabinets. The cabinets are actually pretty nice, so I'm actually going to Home Depot to get some new handles for it. But we got the cabinets, we've got the backsplash going in, as you can see. We've got the granite countertops in, and we're gonna be doing black appliances this time because we have some from another house that we had. So this kitchen's almost done, and then we're gonna be, I think we got the LVP floor in here as well. So we're about 2 weeks away. This one's kind of messy right now, but we're about 2 weeks away from finishing this project. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like. We're buying 2 houses a month in Oakland, Macomb County. So if you or someone else you know has a house that needs some work, we'd love to come in and give you guys a cash offer. You can give me a call at 248-783-8009. That's 248-783-8009. See you guys.